Hello people and welcome back to my channel. I want to tell you something really important for me. Everything you see on my channel as unboxing and I don't know, equipments and other things um, are bought by me and my girlfriend Ada. Is not someone is paying us to show you the products or to make you buy something. Everything you see on my channel is our stuff. We buy that things only for our channel. If you have questions about these products, you can ask us live in our stream in on Twitch channel. You will have a link below, and if you don't have an account on Twitch, you can simply write a comment for this video or for the video with that product.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Guys, let's start with the unboxing for today. And here we have an action camera from CROSSTOUR, and is a model CT8500. I don't know to tell you something about it because we opened the case only to check if it's working or not checked how good is the quality and other things. You need to wait for another one video to see images and sound, to hear sound with this cam. Theoretically is a 4K camera, and you will know more because I will put for you some specs. And let's open the box, let's see what's inside, and we'll talk a little bit later about specs. Let's open the box, guys, and here is a little bit broken because me and Ada tried to check if camera work and if everything is inside. Let's open, and ta-da! Let's see what is here. We have a business card here. I don't need it. Let's hope I don't need it. We have an user manual in a lot of languages, like this. And here we have the camera, the mighty camera. It's looking like a GoPro. I don't know if the accessories are the same for this camera. Let's take it out from this case. This is the waterproof case. As you can see, it's having the film on it, and this is one of the thing, and this is the camera. I take down the film like this. Now it's not starting because it's not having batteries. Okay, let's put them like this. And one of the reasons because I bought this camera is because of this big box. I don't know if you can see here and is focusing. Here is a big box, and I will show you what is here. It's empty now. Let's put it here and check what is written on this thing. Okay, here are accessories. I checked how expensive are the accessories for a GoPro or for other cameras, and this camera was super cheap and come with accessories. Okay, let's see what we have here because it's the first time when I'm checking all the accessories. Okay, let's start with what I have here. A battery, and where is the second one? Must be another one. What the heck is here? So here it is. I have two batteries with a lifetime of up to 90 minutes, and we have a cable, a data cable here, a remote control. Let's take it out and let's show you the remote control for this, like this. Okay, we have two buttons, one for photo and this is for photo, and one for video. Okay, let's put it here. We have this thing is I checked on internet and is for fixing on a bicycle. Another one thing like this, I don't know if you can see, it's for bicycle. A lot of things like this I will take it out to show you, because are a lot of things, and it's possible to make a video to show you how to use all these things, because are a lot of them. You can put the camera in a lot of angles or positions, and you know maybe more than me. Okay, all these things are only for fixing, not fixing, to put the camera in angles. Here is another one thing is used, I will show you, it's more simple to show you, like this. It's like this. Okay, will be in combination with other things. From here we have this thing. It's you can use it as a watch or something. Another one piece like this, in case of this one will die or will be broken. Okay, here. Okay, I have here is like a cable. It's like a steel cable, and let me check. It's this, like a steel cable, and here is like double tape. Okay, a super important thing is this one is a mic for using inside the car, or no, this one with a damn long cable. Okay, another one thing, no, two things like this, who will be used in combination with others. I can't take them out, like this. I don't know, I think it's something like this, and yeah, like this, but I don't want to break it right now, and I'll put away for the moment. Okay, here we have some, I don't know how to name this, I think it's like belts or something, 4 belts, and this for cleaning. I don't know if someone will need this, but it's inside the box. And the last thing is this. This is for putting on tripod the camera. Okay. A lot of accessories for this camera, and was not super expensive. The price was under $100 or euros, and I'm super curious to see how is working this cam. For the moment we only will put inside a battery. Let's check. Here is a little knob. I don't know if you can see on camera. Let's take it out. Okay, we have 4 buttons. One is here for mode and start. One is here, is an OK, and here is Wi-Fi and up, and another one button for down. On the other side we have the memory card slot, we have the HDMI, a micro USB, and is an input for mic. Okay, yeah, and have another one light here. Let's start it. I don't know if you can see, I will try. Yeah, and now it's working, but I will make some tests and you will see in the next video. With this camera I don't have in this moment a memory card here to put inside, and yeah, I think that's it for the moment with this camera. I forgot to talk with you about specs for this little cam, and more simple is to show you on the case. I hope you can see and the cam will focus. Okay, and if you want to know more about this this camera, you can check the link from the description of this video. I will put there a link with all the specs for this product. And what to say, I'm curious to charge the batteries and to make some clips and videos, and to show you how is working and how okay is this camera. Everything that I know in this moment is about this camera is about making videos in 4K, but only in 30 frames per second, and of course I will use it on 1080p, and with this case, with this waterproof case, is able to go under 40 meters under the water. And I don't know, I'm curious, and you will see next video with camera and how it's working. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, thank you for everything. Please subscribe, share, and everything, you know, the poetry, and see you next time. Bye guys.